Hi, my name's Danielle Collins and I'm the world-leading face yoga expert. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to naturally reduce and prevent marionette lines. Now, marionette lines are those lines that we tend to get between the mouth and the jaw area. They tend to get deeper as we age. This is simply because of expressions. We tend to express a lot in that area, whether it be through smiling, whether it be through stress and tension. We're gritting our teeth and we're holding this area tight, tends to cause lines there. And the reason these lines actually stick more as we get older, so you see them more deeply, is because we're losing the collagen and the elastin in our skin. So these are the plumping agents in the middle layer of skin, and these get broken down because of lots of reasons. So it could be sun damage, it could be stress, it could be through diet, it could be through genetics, or simply just age. Lots of reasons why we tend to break down those plumping agents, those agents which give us the elasticity and the firmness in the skin, and therefore we see these lines deeper and deeper. So what can we naturally do about them? Well, I would recommend to do a little bit of massage and a little bit of exercise. The exercise in this area is going to strengthen and tone the muscles underneath the skin, and then the skin attached to it is going to be tightened and tautened. We want those exercises to be very controlled though, because unlike expressions which actually cause lines and wrinkles, when we do exercises in a controlled way and we check in a mirror that no lines are created whilst doing the exercise, we actually lift and firm and strengthen the muscle. The massage is fantastic for helping to boost the circulation, helps to bring all the fresh blood and oxygen and nutrients up to the skin's surface so it feeds the skin. It also helps with that detoxification process as well. So all of this is really going to help the quality of the skin to look better. Also, by relaxing tension in that area means we're less likely to hold that whole lower face area really tight, and when we're holding it less tight, we're less likely to hold those expression lines for long periods of time. So I'm going to take you through a few things that you can do to really help marionette lines. So we're going to start off with a face exercise. We're going to make an O shape with our mouth. So we're going to wrap our lips around our teeth as much as possible. And then from this O shape, we're going to just hold as much as possible, use our index finger and tap all the way up the area right to the nose. And we're going to keep that going. So have a go with me now. Let's do two more together. And relaxing. So maybe just from that one exercise, you already feel how the muscles under the skin are really starting to work with building and strengthening in tone. So one thing I would say about face yoga is you absolutely have to keep it up daily. So you have to do it every day in order to see results. Doing once is going to really fire up the muscles and get them working, but it's whether you're doing it very regularly over a number of weeks or even a number of months when you start to see those deeper lines and wrinkles reducing. So I recommend a structure program. So you could use, for example, one of my apps by searching Danielle Collins on your app store. You could use my book, which has got a lovely structure program in it and lots of information about how face yoga works and all lifestyle and beauty things as well, and you can search that on Amazon, or you can use one of my DVDs by going to faceyogaexpert.com. So let me show you another technique which is really great for marionette lines. 2 fingers and thumb, and we're going to pinch right down to the muscle and work all the way up the marionette line and also up those nasal labial folds as well. So we're getting double benefits of this exercise. So we're pinching up. Now you don't want to feel that you're pulling the skin out. You want to feel that you're really pinching down into the muscle. That's it, so just keep that going, pinching down to the muscle. It may start to feel warm now, which is a great indication that you've really boosted the blood flow up to the top layer of skin. You're helping with that detoxification process as well. And just relaxing, and just do the same up the jaw, a nice release right down to the muscle. So it's very important to work the jaw when we're thinking about reducing and preventing marionette lines. We hold so much tension on our jaw, often without realizing it, and particularly at night. And when we hold tension in our jaw, it means we hold a certain expression, and that expression, if you look at it in the mirror when you're very, very tense, will actually be creating lines in this area. So releasing jaw tension is so, so important alongside that exercise and massage. So then just take a deep breath in, and then exhale, go, and really soften that whole area. So lifting and toning and strengthening is important, but relaxation is just as important. So take that again. One more time, in. And relax your whole face. So I hope you found that useful. Please do subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And if you like the video, please tick the like button as well. Take care, bye bye.